Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the average value. So now I will show you how to answer. We can find the value of the average. That should be about 1 over. We have the powers of s from 0 to number 1, so that should be about 1 minus 0 in here. We have the powers of y, so we put the powers in here, 1 minus 0. And later that, we put about double intervals from 0 to number 1. And we put the function called here. dy dx. This one we can simplify, and this is about number 1. So we just calculate about this one only. So we have dy, and we see that we have 5y in here. The integration of this one, we will have about 3x plus 5y. We have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. Later that we have number 5 in here. Coefficient of y, that's about number 5. We have another number 5 we put in here. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. We put number 1 gone here. And number 0 gone here. So we will have about 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 over 25 minus 3x everything to the power of 5 over number 25. Now we do another integration of dx. This one we will have about 3x plus 5 to the power of 6. We have number 6 in here. We have number 3 coefficient of s. And number 25. Similar for this one. We put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. Number 0 gone here. And we have the final answer. We have 2731 over 5. And this is the final answer.